Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set wallpaper from gallery. If you want to set wallpaper from your phone gallery, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your phone's gallery. Here's that, just tap on it to open it, and then select the picture you want to set as your phone's wallpaper. As I have selected, so now tap on three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and here you'll get an option of set as wallpaper. Tap on it, and then here you just have to select which you want to set as home screen, as lock screen, or as set as both. I'm going to set it as my home screen, so I have selected. Now tap on done. So you can see I have successfully set the wallpaper from my phone's gallery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.